What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Jesse W. And today we're going to go over the Betterment Challenge. Check it out. Well, guys, as you know, I think it was back in July, I started the Betterment Challenge. For those of you who are new to the channel, Betterment is one of those like auto investors, like smart app investor thing where you open up an account, put a few bucks a month, however much you want, or as often as you want, and it automatically invests for you on your behalf after you answer some questions regarding your risk tolerance and goals for the account. What I did with this account is I launched it, I believe it was in July, and I said that I would run this for a full 12 months. And when we got to the 12-month mark, we would see how much we made or how much we lost, and whether or not I would continue, using it or not. I've always said that I don't like to use this for my long-term investment, like my IRA. I use Vanguard for that because I pick my own funds. This is going to pick the funds for you. So there's a little bit more fees, but it's nothing drastic. I mean, like I always said, like I've said from the beginning, this is a really good robo investor for someone who's not going to invest at all because they don't want to research. So this will be something where you just punch in your information and it'll tailor out a program that would fit, your goals, your personality long term. And like anything in the market, I'm no financial wizard. I'm no financial expert. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I'm doing for myself and my opinions. And over the course of 20 years, 10, 20 years, we see that the market always pays back, up to 7% or so, sometimes more, sometimes a little bit less. But any money that I would need access to within the next 1 to 5 years, I would not put in here. That's why I did this as a small account. I started it with $1,000, and every month since then, I put $100 into it just for fun, just for the YouTube channel. And so far, not too bad. Over the past month, since the last video, I am a little bit late on this video because, as you know, last week, my daughter was born on Monday, so I am behind on this specific video here, but so far it's doing good. Over the past month we're up just under 6%, 5.9, 5.7% return, so that's not bad at all. And I deposited over the last month $100, haven't taken any withdrawals, and we've earned $67 so far, so that's not bad at all. That's a pretty good return there for doing a whole lot of nothing. So far so good on this. Let's see here, year to date. We'll go ahead and go year to date here, and I didn't start this in January. Like I said, I started in, I believe, in July or August. I'd have to go check. And initially, when we started, well, here it is. Yeah, I started July 29th. Perfect. We had a real nasty little pullback, and I was down 5, 6, 7% at times. And then, we hit that resistance against at 0, and then boom. And now, we're pushing. And 3.9% is what I'm getting overall now since I've started. So this last month has been real good. But as we know, take a look at the SPY, and you'll see why, things are how they have been, as far as the return goes over the last month. Look at the SPY's daily chart. That is one very nice uptrend. So that's why we're making money on it so far. Let's see, the plan. This is the range, let's see, July, so August, July, August. So there we go. Average outcome in August is at a half, 22, almost $2,300. After I deposited around $2,100, so not a bad little return. There is a 2.5% chance that I'll have $3,000, so that's great. And if I continue to hold it, we'd go up here to 2,600 and change, almost 2,700, and a 2.5% chance I'd have 3,600. So not bad. It says here that my overall risk is too aggressive. And that's simply because I have this on 100% stocks, no bonds, as you can see, because I was only going to do this for a year. I wanted it to be fully aggressive, nothing. I didn't want any bonds, I wanted 100% stocks, and all of it mainly US based stocks. So we'll go over here to holdings, and we'll see we have target allocation 100% stocks. US stock market 35%, US value stocks, large caps 9.5%, mid cap 7.7%, small cap 6.5%, and international developed market stocks 26.0%. International emerging stocks 15%, giving me my current balance of $1340.72. The majority of it is invested in the US stock market, so that's great. And if you click on these, what you can see is the Vanguard fund that it's in, right? So like if I was going to invest in this, I'd just invest directly into the fund without using this, because I do my own research, right, when I pick my funds. But nonetheless, we're using this tool for the channel because I know people look these things up. So we have 3 shares of this ETF, which is VTI, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. That's pretty cool. And let's see, activity. My automatic deposit from October 29th, every 29th, last day of the month, basically, or around there, deposit hits. And then lastly, we'll have performance here, and this is what we saw already. The past 3 months. The past 3 months have been actually really good. We have 8.1, 7.8 return on our investment, so that is not bad at all. Total earnings of $80. Management fees right here, you can see 43 cents. So pretty cool, not bad at all. Internal rate of return 7.0%, and we're gonna see what this does next year. If you want more information on this, there's you can watch all the videos from the start up until now on it in my channel. Just check out the playlist, Betterment Small Account Challenge. If you want to check out Betterment, there'll be a link in the description section below. I think you do get some discounts as well as I do if you sign up with my link to Betterment. So any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Hope you're having a great day. Smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.